Hello everyone. This video we are going to look circuit breakers in share market. Okay, we are going to look in this video for India as well as UAE. What is a circuit breaker limit? What is a price band limit? That is what we are going to look in this video. This is helpful for the beginners. They should know before enter into an market. What is a percentage it will be stopped and what is a use of it for the circuit breaker and everything else. Okay, let's see in this video. Okay, what's the meaning of circuit breaker? It's a mechanism. Okay, circuit breaker in a sense for electrical circuit breaker we will use, right? Circuit filter we will use it. That one will helpful for the frequency of electricity, right? The normal frequency of electricity it will gives you. As the same way for the circuit breaker will used for share market. It is one of the mechanism to regulate extreme price movement. Okay, it will regulate for the extreme price movement of index or securities. Okay, and this one otherwise call it as price bands. They can use the word call it as circuit breakers or else price bands. Okay, so it will regulate for extreme price movement. Okay, it will be a high volatile. There should be an anomaly of the volatile will be there in the market that will control with the help of this circuit breaker. And what are the types of circuit breakers available in a sense? There are two circuit breaker, that is upper circuit as well as lower circuit. What is upper circuit in a sense? The maximum percentage increase in the price of a stock in a single trading session. Okay, so for a particular day, for a particular limit, the maximum limit if it is reached for a particular trading session in a sense, that is called it as upper circuit. Okay, this will calculate based on the previous day closing price. Okay, and for the second one will be lower circuit. Lower circuit in a sense the maximum percentage decrease, and from here will be increase in the price. Okay, and from here will be decrease in the price. So from here will be decrease in the price of a stock in a single trading session. Okay, so as a same thing, the maximum decrease in the price of a particular stock in a sense they will put for a certain limit and it will be stopped for a single trading session. You will not make any sell for that respective stock. Okay, so that is called it as lower circuit. Okay, so next one we will see for India as well as UAE what is a limit. For India 2%, 5%, 10%, 15% and 20%. The minimum will be 2%, so it depends upon the stock. Maximum will be 20%. Okay, so the price will be increased 20%. More than that it will not increase. They will stop for trading. You cannot buy any stocks, any respective stock on a particular day. That is called price band. Okay, that is a circuit filter. And who is controlling in a sense? From India it's SEBI, Security Exchange Board of India. By the part of United Arab Emirates it's available for 15% as well as for 5%. Okay, if the stock value is decreased, okay, automatically if it is decreasing for 15%, that is a minus 15%, in a sense what they will do, if it is minus 15% in a sense they will close for particular trading of the respective stock. As a same way if it is increased for 15% in a sense, such cases also you cannot do any trading for the respective stock. And from here they have given for two limit, that is 5% as well as for 15%. Increase in a sense 15% and decrease in a sense it will be on minus 5%. Okay, if it is decreased for 5% in a sense they will control for the respective stock. And who is controlling for United Arab Emirates in a sense? Controlled by MOS, that is Market Operations and Surveillance Department. There should be a department, it's controlled by SCA. Okay, so this people, they will limit and they will control and they will stop for the respective stock movement. And if you are looking for the application, those who are invested already, as you are looking for 15%, after that it will not increase in a sense because of this circuit breakers. Okay, and for India, some index also having some price bands. Okay, for individual security as well as index also having index, there should be a timing. There are three trigger limit, that is 10%, 15% as well as 20%. That is before 1 p.m. If it is reached for 10%, in a sense 45 minute the market halt duration, nothing going to be happen for 45 minute. If it is increase at a time for 10%, okay, and the time after 1 p.m. up to 2:30 p.m. in a sense 15-minute halt. During this duration, no transaction will be happened. And after 2:30 p.m. in a sense nothing going to happen, you can do for as usual trading. And as the same thing for 15% increase, in a sense 1 or 45 minutes if it is in before 1 p.m. If it is after 1 p.m. before 2 p.m. in a sense 45 minutes halt. After 2 p.m. in a sense a remainder of the day, as the same as usual you can do for a normal trade. And 20% in a sense anytime during the market horse. Okay, this will not predict at any time. The index movement will be 20% during the market timing, in a sense it will be a reminder of the day. It means what they will give for the reminder for the day. Okay, it means we market will look, and after that only based on the market news only we will trade. Okay, and from here it has given for pre-open call action session, post market halt. This is related to auction trading as well as those who are doing for derivative stock trading and all. There is no price band is available. Understood? So this is what in India index price band, as well as in UAE such kind of things not provided. Okay, and why circuit breakers fixed in market? Why it's required, in a sense what is the purpose it is required for circuit breaker for the share market? To avoid panic selling or manic buying. Okay, panic selling, panic in a sense what the fear. Okay, suddenly if the share price is falling down, in a sense all the people will go and do for selling, right? And suddenly if the prices goes up, in a sense lot of orders will be raised on it. That is for manic. Okay, you will initiate for the transaction of buying. Okay, there should be steps you will take it for buying for the stocks. That is called it as manic. That is opposite. Panic opposite is manic. Okay, so you will do for buying. And for second one, to protect investor. Okay, circuit breaker will helpful for the investor. If I invested for 1 crore, okay, suddenly the prices fall, right? I will get fear. So in order to protect for the investor, they need to do for investment more, in a sense such kind of break should be required in order to control, in order to protect for the investor. And for the third main thing, to prevent extreme price movement. Okay, the extreme price movement, in a sense suddenly if it is up for 20%, only couple of people will be benefited, other people may not be benefited because of this price movement, right? So market crash, these kind of things will be happened. So suddenly market will be halt, we cannot do for any trade. So these kind of things will be happen. That's a reason for preventing the price movement, it is helpful, circuit breakers. And to safeguard market crash. Okay, if the market crash, in a sense what happened, everybody will be affected. So to safeguard for the market crash, it's required for circuit breakers. As well as to control the price volatile, in a sense what the improper high and low. Okay, so suddenly it will go for high, suddenly it will come for down. Okay, only speculators can make a profit during this high volatile. Okay, in order to control these all points, the circuit breaker is required in a market. That's the reason SEBI is fixed in India, as well as from here MO is fixed for circuit breakers. This is applicable for all stock exchanges. Okay, those who are invested in some other countries also. If you're looking for these Indian stocks, okay, see from here 10 percentage. If it has reached for 20 percentage, in a sense, automatically this stock you cannot buy for particular day. Okay, particular day only. The next day as usual normally you can do it. Again, if it is 20%, in a sense, same, you cannot do for any trading. As the same thing for UAE also. Right now if you're looking, in a sense, it is 7%. If it is reached for 15%, in a sense, you cannot do for any trade, it should be hold. Okay, so I think right now you can understand what is a circuit breaker, what are the types is available, okay, what kind of percentage is there and who is controlling, and based on this percentage, okay, what you need to do. Again, you should not go and invest for those stock once it is halt. Okay, you can look for some other stock. So this is a way you can take a decision of it. If the video is helpful to you and you have learned something from this video, just you can give a thumbs up for this video. It's a free reward as you are giving to me, and this is helpful for me to do more videos. Okay, if you're a new user, if you're a new viewers, just you can subscribe this channel and keep on watch. You will get it all market related insights, will get the notification in your inbox. Okay, thank you friends, thank you for watching this. Bye.